Alright guys, so today I'm finally getting the downpipe done for my GTI. This is the Ultimate Racing catted downpipe with the resonator. I hollowed out the cat though. The state that I live in requires for inspection you to have a catalytic converter, but it's just a visual check and we don't need no restriction around these parts, so I hollowed it out. For those of you who don't know, the downpipe is the section of exhaust tubing that comes off the turbocharger on the back of the engine. So what we're doing by replacing this is getting rid of a massive restriction in flow. The stock downpipe is a pretty big restriction because it contains two catalytic converters. The piping isn't a big diameter, and it has some sharp turns in it, which all of these things are very bad for flow. So what we're doing is we're giving it a larger diameter one, 3 inches, getting rid of the catalytic converter and giving it more natural bends. So what this is essentially going to do is the engine's going to run more efficiently, so we're going to be able to tune more aggressively, and the car's going to sound pretty awesome. So I know some of you keyboard mechanics who know more about my life than I do are going to hate on me for taking my car to a shop to have the downpipe installed. But currently it is winter. I mean, it doesn't really look like it because it's raining out, but it's 43 out, it's raining, and like the weather in Pennsylvania is really erratic. Typically I like to do all the work myself, but I mean, I don't really want to break a turbo stud and then be without my daily driver until I can get a new turbo stud put in. It's just, I don't know, it just seems like a smarter decision to me to just have a shop do it. But I know that I'm not going to be able to please everyone, so it is what it is. So as of right now, the only thing sound-wise I have done to the car is the rear suitcase muffler delete, and then arguably the turbo muffler delete and the intake add some induction noise. But right now, the induction noise from the turbo is louder than the exhaust when you're sitting in the car. So the car right now sounds like this. And I'm hoping that the downpipe will add some good sound to the car. And then I'll also be able to tune it more aggressively and finally go stage 2. That's not very loud.
That was pitiful.
Oh, that's a little different.
Where's the flame?
Alright, so I got the car back and I'm not really sure what to think. It's like really quiet. I expected it to be loud and obnoxious, but like, if anything, it seems like it's almost quieter than it was before with the suitcase muffler delete. Listen to this. So I think I'm going to swap over to the stage 2 tune and see if that makes any sort of difference, because I don't know. Alright, so on the cloud access port, we're going to choose the stage 2 stock math on 93 octane. Yep. Oh, should probably turn the car on. Alright, cool. So now it's flashing it. Alright, it completed the first part. So now we're gonna turn the car off, put it back in the on position, and then hit continue. Alright, so shut the car off and then wait, and then we should have stage 2. Alright, clutch in. Alright, let's do this, get our gauges up. I have no idea what sort of boost stage 2 is. I have my diverter valve is leaking, so expect in the future a replace video on that. But yeah, I really don't know what to think. This is all pretty expensive, and all the parts seem like they're high quality, and I mean, it may not sound loud, but I mean, on paper the performance gain should be pretty good. So I should be able to run stage 2 now. And I want to get the cars tuned by Stratified, get like a sick E30 tune with some pops and crackles. I think that'd be cool. But the car being this quiet, I don't know how well pops and crackles are going to do on that. So I don't know. step. Ooh, that sounds pretty good. Alright, so I have some mixed feelings about the ultimate racing downpipe for the Mk6 Gti. So for starters, it's really quiet. I got the resonated version. They make an option where it doesn't come with the resonator. And if I would have kept the cat on it and not hollowed it out, it would have been even more quiet. But something that I do really like about it is it does still have some grunt to it. It's not quite what I was expecting, but I mean, it's still there. The sound of this car definitely makes a statement. It's really quiet on the highway. I took it on the highway, and it's dead silent at highway speeds. With the Stage 2 tune, you really do feel a difference. There's less turbo lag. You can hear a lot more turbo induction sounds, and with it, you're able to run Stage 2 safely. When you're tuning your car with like an access port or any sort of like email tune, it's not the safest thing, and it's not recommended, but I mean, it's fun, and you get that extra bit of power. A tuner like the Cobb access port is probably the best bang for your buck mod that you could do, because right out of the gate you can start modifying things such as boost pressure and timing. Not necessarily yourself, unless you have the software and the knowledge to do so, but you could have other people do it, and the Cobb access port comes with a lot of preloaded tunes. So overall, I definitely do like the product. I kind of wish I wouldn't have gotten the resonated version, but I mean, at the same time, better safe than sorry. This is my daily. I don't want something that's ridiculously loud as my daily driver. And I mean, it's kind of a sleeper now. A sleeper as sleepers go. I mean, it's a GTI. Everybody knows these things are the fastest cars on the road. So I hope you all enjoyed. Pretty soon I'm going to be getting the GFB DV Plus to replace the diverter valve, which is leaking, which is a problem with these Mk6 GTIs, and the Mark 7s. So then I'll be able to hold boost better, and I'm pretty sure the kit comes with different springs, so I could change how the blow diversion sounds? Yeah, now I'm rambling. So I hope you all enjoyed. I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can buy this downpipe. I would recommend it. Maybe if you want more sound, I would go without the cat or without the resonator. But I mean, it is what it is. I like it. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.